And companies are really overspending on their tech stacks. And we've seen that recently where a lot of companies are like, well, this is getting very expensive. All of this is so
Mm-hmm.
expensive, right? And companies are really overspending on their tech stacks and they want to really get like a handle on that spend. Like we were talking about that tech bloat and the costs associated with it. So I think actually now with AI, actually, I think we're going to enter this moment where folks are really talking about, well, how do we price things a little bit differently? And I'm starting to see that and hear that in different conversations
Mm-hmm.
where different executives are talking about changing up their pricing strategies. Because as we enter this phase of AI, it's like, how do we incorporate that more within our solution? And just how we talked about earlier, where companies have, their, let's say their SaaS solutions and now they're adding AI versus starting with AI, right? It's a little bit different.
Mm-hmm.
But as companies adopt that more within their solutions and offerings for their customers, I just think that you're going to see a lot of the pricing change just because companies
Yeah.
also want to be more efficient. And so I think everyone's kind of thinking through what does the pricing look like in the future. And you can hear a lot of people talk about more of a consumption-based pricing model,
Yeah.
which is really interesting. And the change there, because there's so much more data flow when we talk about AI, right? AI is all about data.
Mm-hmm.
And so I've been hearing a lot more about consumption pricing when it comes to, different pricing models and strategies going to market with AI. So I think we're going to see a lot of changes, and I don't know exactly what kind of the next new thing will be in terms of pricing strategy and those like business models, but I do think we're going to see lots of transformations there, like a
Yeah. I
ton
mean,
there. Yeah.
even like Sam Altman, I saw him the other day, kind of just testing the idea. He put it out on, I forget what platform it was, but they're thinking about potentially taking their $20 a month pricing model and moving it to a consumption based